Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to design free landing pages for your business using AI. And you don't need any coding skills. And the best part about this is that you can design more than one landing page for your business, and you are getting pro level landing page like this on my screen absolutely for free. No credit card, you don't need any money. So let's get into it. So what I want you to do right now is come over to this website called Yep.so. So you can actually see it being displayed right here on my screen. So once you are here on this page, the first thing you have to do is you want to take a walkthrough and see what the site is all about, or what this AI tool is all about. So once you've been able to get a glimpse of what it is, you can go proceed and create an account, and that is what I recommend for you. Right now, come right here and you can see where it says login. For me, it's saying login because I already have an account, but for you, it's going to say sign in. So go ahead and click on this. Right, once you do that, you can see I have my details right here. I have my email, I have my password, and I'm going to go ahead and clicking on login in. Or let's say I want to create a new account, I can also do that by clicking on create an account. So for me, let me just go ahead and log into my dashboard and show you guys how to quickly do this in few minutes without wasting your time. So go ahead and click on create a new page. Right, easy. Just tell AI the idea that you are trying to build up. So for me, let's say I'm trying to create a landing page for, let's say, a course or a product that is teaching drop shipping. So let me just say a drop shipping course. Let me just put something like that, a drop shipping course. Right now, this is not correct. Let me go ahead and correct in this. Okay, a drop shipping course. Now, once I've been able to tell AI what I'm about to do, so now go ahead and choose your targeted audience. So who are the people that this what's it called, this page is targeting, or what your business is targeting. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose, let's say, students and stay at home mom. All right, that's stay at home mom quickly. All right, so these are my target audiences. So I want you to click on start. Let's see what happens next. All right, you can see that this small pop-up is right here. Okay, now the next thing you have to do is to, once you've been able to put the product name, all right, you've been able to identify your target audience. Now the next thing you have to do is to tell, all right, this AI tool, all right, just give a description, all right, of the problem you are trying to solve and how you choose to solve it, because every business out there is solving a problem. So you must be able to identify what the kind of problem you're trying to solve and how you want to do it. So let's say for me now, I'm selling a course on drop shipping. Now I want to teach people how to make money online, right, using drop shipping. So you can say I'm trying to solve a problem by teaching people how to make money online, and how do I want to get them to start making money online? Through drop shipping. So it's a two-way thing. I teach you how to make money, but I'm teaching you how to make money through drop shipping. All right, so it's as simple as this. Now go ahead and click on create content, and you can see AI is just going to do all the work for you. You see, in 10 seconds we're going to be having a website being built for us. Okay, no much there, guys. You can see this now. You can see this. We have our own landing page designed for us with AI. Very easy and very simple. Now you can know. Let's take a look at this from the beginning. Now the first thing I want you to note is the drop shipping course, which is going to be served as the logo. All right, so this is where people are going to be knowing what this is all about. So if you want to change this, let's start from that. If you want to change this, go ahead and click on this. Now if you click on this right now, you can go ahead and type in anything you want to type it. You can see I can erase the course, I can add it back. Good. So a drop shipping course, right? If you want to change to something, maybe you want to put in your name there. It's beautiful. Now the next thing I want you to look at now is this guy. You can see unlock financial freedom with a drop shipping course. You can also change this to something much more interesting. So let's say unlock financial freedom with my 2 hours, right? Let's just do that. Let's just see how it works. All right, my 2 hours intensive beginners course on drop shipping. Now you can proceed. you can proceed to changing this to anything you want entirely. So let's say you're done with that. You can also go ahead and change anything like I said. Now, if you want to add images, which is very, very important, all right, you can also use AI in getting the images, right? I'm going to show you how to do it. So, and you can see right here where people can actually input their email address to start learning. So once they click on start learning, I'm going to show you what this is going to do once they input their email address. Now, wait for me. Now, if you want to change the images, right, you can see here is an image generated by AI. If you want to change this, you can go ahead and click on this, right? Once you click on this, now you can see where you have the small option right here. Good. Now you can go ahead and see something that says either you can use an emoji if you want to, or you can also embed a YouTube video. So let's say you have a video, okay, you can a video on YouTube that teaches more or gives people more idea about the course. You can also embed that video right here by putting in the video link. Then click on apply. It's going to do that. Now, if you want to add your own personal image, so let's say you have the image of the course that you have built, or the image of whatever thing you're trying to promote, or whatever thing you're trying to pass across, you can go ahead and click on upload an image, and automatically you can see it opens up your browser, or sorry, your file manager on your laptop. If you're making use of a mobile phone, I think this should work. You can also check that here. You can see, go ahead and select the images that you're trying to make use of. So go ahead and choose that and you're good to go. But for me, I love making use of AI. So I'm just going to click on this, right? And I'm going to use clear image. Okay, once I click on clear image, now you can see image cleared, right? If I want to generate an image now from AI, I can go ahead and just put in a prompt like a young man teaching. Good. I can just click on generate. Now, once I do that, you can see AI is going to help me get that image of the prompt that I imputed. So it's very easy. It's very simple. So click to close. Let's just allow it. It's going to come up here right soon. Now for you, you can go ahead and change every image that you are basically seeing here. You can change that. You can also change the text. You can do anything you want to do at all. But one of the things I love about this is that AI is also specific. All right. And they help you design the website, or, to fit in. All right. So the landing page to fit in into whatever thing that you are trying to sell, or whatever thing you're trying to promote. So the work you're going to be doing is not going to be much one to do at all. So just go ahead and changing things, like probably you can add more notes to this. You can change the images if you want to. It all depends on you. And also you can see we have the pricing section right here. So the pricing section is where you can just go ahead and change the pricing. So I can go ahead and change the pricing and tell people what they are going to be getting from each and every of the prices that they are trying to get for. So if you want just a single price, you can go ahead and delete all of these and just have one single price. Very easy, very simple. Now you can see we also have the frequently asked questions, right? And you can see AI helped you with all of that. If you want to add more, you can go ahead and click on add another. And if you want to edit all of these ones, you can also do also edit them to fit your business much more. And then you can see where they have this icon, those page here where they can input their email address, and then click on start learning. Now once this is done, then also add your own image. So you can see add your own photo. I can click on this. Let me just go ahead and add my photo really quick. Okay, this one is good. Let me put this one here. Let's see how it looks like. Good. You can see I have my photo here, and you can see there's this about me. I can see I have this about me, and I can also input my name. My name is Charles. So good. This is good, right? So you can see I have this about me generated by AI, and you can see these social icons such as Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram. I can add in my socials. You can see put in your Facebook link right here, so people can also check you up on Facebook. Put in your Facebook link right here. The same thing you want to do for YouTube, the same thing you want to do for WhatsApp, the same thing you want to do for Instagram, TikTok, and all like that. So once you are done with everything, once you are done with editing and making sure everything is looking good, very easy, very simple to do from AI. Guys, you can see this. You can see the image that AI generated for us based on my prompt. So go ahead and use this rightly, and trust me, you're going to be having a well-defined landing page for your business. Now, once you are done with everything, like you're done, and you want to publish this, it's easy. Come here and just see this. People will have publish section, right? Or before that, click on settings. Now I want to show you something. Now click on settings, and now once you click on settings, you can go ahead and actually see some settings right here that you might need to play alongside with to get a much more better result, right? A much more better result. So I'm not going to waste my time on this, because I believe my preference and your preference might not be the same. So just go ahead and use this tool the right way. Mine is to bring you awareness and show you how to make use of it rightly. So once you are done with every settings that you want to go with, you can go ahead and click on publish. So let's even go click on publish. And now when we want to publish this live, that we can start sharing with people and they can start interacting with our landing page, it's easy. Now go ahead and just click on this publish right here. Click on publish, and what you want to do now is to click on publish on Yep domain, right? Click on publish on Yep domain, and now let me show you what's going to happen next. So it's going to load up for a bit of time, and you can see it's saying publishing your page. So let's wait for this. Let's wait for this to get done. All right, good. You can see we have our landing page live. So let me go ahead and copy up my landing page URL. I'm going to copy this. Now I'm going to come over to an incognito browser. All right, to just show you guys what it's going to look like. Okay, now let me paste this right here, and let's see what happens. All right, guys, so you can see this. We have our landing page ready. It's actually getting slow, but I think this should be for my end. Probably my network is not so stable, but you can see everything that we have here is looking very, very presentable. It's looking amazing, guys, amazing. So let's just wait for it to load up. All right, just to show you guys much more clearly and see how beautiful our landing page is. So people can now start interacting with your landing page. Let's say they are interested, you can just put in their email address. Let me just put in my email address here. You can see, thanks, success, thanks for signing up. Now let me go over to my email address to see if I received anything. All right, let me just check that out right now to see if I was able to get a message. All right, guys, you can see this. You can see I got a message. Now you can see I got a message. So regardless of how people are coming over to your page to interact, imagine they putting in, once they are putting in their email address, they are going to be receiving a notification. You can see that demo email just joined your waitlist for a dropshipping course. Now view here. I can go ahead and click on view, and you're going to be seeing I'm going to be having all of the details of this person. So I can now reach out to this person and say, hey, you, what's up, man? Here is your course or whatsoever, guys. So you can see that I also have trackings right here. This is actually an amazing tool you can actually start using now to start creating unlimited landing pages with AI without any stress, and you're getting to be seeing all of those data without paying a penny. I mean, this is just so good. So if you're happy with this video and you would like to see more of this, please let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to smash the like button. Appreciate me for my work. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And if you have any tool in your mind that you would like me to review and show you how to use, please still let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do all to make my research, come back here and show you guys how to use it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my other video. Please take care of yourself, and bye.